Here's the weekend update for August 27th, 2011. I'll be looking at the midterm forecast for the S&P Dow and Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, again, my view of this count is that this is wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and wave five. And as you guys probably witnessed on last week, I called the bottom at on I think it was Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday, and it was an any diagonal fifth wave truncation cup and handle formation, and a lot of things going for it right now. But if Nasdaq can take out at least 25.15 or 0.786 of the drop from around 25.70 to 23.40, it could set up a break of 25.60 or 25.70 in the Nasdaq. If we can break that level around 25.70, I believe actually 25, I believe it's 25.60. If we can break that level, we can rally. We can probably retrace at least 0.618 of the drop from 28.75 to 23.25, which is highest target if 0.618 is around 26.50 to 26.70. That's also an upward three target. So we have one, two, three, four, five. Any diagonal cup and handle fifth wave truncation, barely truncating. I mean, probably within 10 points. But if you look at the S&P, yes, I believe that we bottomed. uh, for S&P 3 month chart, you got wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. I've been talking about this for a long time, like a few days before the bottom, and then the day before the bottom, and the day of the bottom. I got the formation that I wanted, and actually three formations. S&P probably truncated fifth wave cup and handle, any diagonal fifth wave truncation. Blah blah blah. Anyway, yeah, that's a lot going for it right now, and we got a VIX at 45 that day, I believe, and then on Thursday we had a VIX at around 44. So anyway, for S&P, if we can take out actually 0.786 is around 1190. So if we can take out 1190 next week, you could test the resistance level around 1207. If we can break 1207, the highest target I have is around 1260, which is 1.618 times wave one and 0.618 to the upside. That's the minimum target if we break through those two levels of 1190 and 1207 S&P. Those are the minimum targets. Uh, I'm guessing that we go right to that target and then we're tracing a wave two and then get a wave three. Usually the first wave off the bottom retraces 0.618 completely of the five wave pattern down. So 0.618 is around 1260 to 1270 in the S&P. For the Dow, Dow got one, two, three, four, five truncated fifth wave, ending diagonal cup and handle formation on a fifth wave. And if we can take out 11,000, I believe 11,400 to the upside, it could test resistance at around 11,500, and the highest target I have is around 12,000 for the Dow. That would both be 0.618 and 1.618 to the upside. So basically, if we get a gap of rally next week, then I can see 12,000 minimum in the Dow. For the S&P, I can see 1260, 1270 in the S&P. And for Nasdaq, I can probably see 2650 to 2670, around 2625, I believe. Again, that's 1.618 and 0.618 to the upside. That's a wrap.